Hello.
Hi, Anna. I'm Rodrigo. I'm from Spain.
Okay.
Uh,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And I just looking for have some conversation because my wife is from United States.
Oh, good.
Yeah, and I had to do a speech because we have a wedding. Yeah,
Oh, nice.
yeah. So her uncle asked me to do a speech, and I'm a little bit lost because all they are from Colorado, and I don't want to mess up.
Okay, so they're all from Colorado.
Mm.
Okay, who's getting married?
Eh,
Her uncle?
Her uncle, yeah.
Okay. Do you know the wife?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's she's a friend from us. Is oh shit, I don't remember the name now. Sorry.
Oh, no, that's okay. So when is the wedding?
In August.
Oh, okay, so we have time.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
you have time. So
Hmm.
you need to prepare a speech. Yes.
Yeah, mostly. The thing is, my wife didn't know that I have to do the speech because she asked to me, and it's going to be
Uh-huh.
like a surprise.
Ah,
Yeah,
good. Okay,
yeah,
good.
yeah.
So, okay. Well, you first, I mean, I don't know if you just want to have English classes or if you want to focus on making a good speech.
Mhm.
But if we want to focus on the speech, we need to focus on the two people and what it is you want to say about them. And then we write the speech and we practice it.
Hmm. Yeah, I mean, I just had a bit of shame about talking to the natives from there. I'm
Uh-huh.
from Spain, so it's like kind of different, and
Uh-huh.
and
Yes,
yeah, it's just
you make a joke about
hmm.
it. You should always make a joke about your accent because American people, you don't know this, but they really love the Spanish accent on the English. It's nice to them.
Yeah.
So as long as we can pronounce our words good,
Hmm.
you will be fine. You will do
I mean, they
good.
are always so kind with me the times that I've been there,
Uh-huh.
but I know I don't want to mess up. I mean, it's like a big, huge, important thing, and I want to do it correctly. So at the beginning, it's just
Good.
feel comfortable talking, and maybe then
Mm-hmm.
just we could focus a little bit on the speech.
Good. Good. Well, your English seems pretty good.
Thank you.
So you just need to
Hmm.
practice and relax
Yeah.
and just relax. Because first of all, the people are
Hmm.
nice. And second of all, your English is not so bad. So if we keep practicing, do you listen to things in English like
Hmm.
movies, music?
Yeah, actually, I talk every single day with my wife in English, but
Good.
it's always like always. She's so kind, and she didn't really correct me.
Okay. Yeah, she
Yeah,
doesn't really correct. She
she does.
doesn't.
She
She
doesn't.
doesn't. Don't say uh-huh. She doesn't correct you. Okay, but that's
Hmm.
okay. So your English is advanced. So we'll have
Hmm.
conversations. You can do conversations on daily topics, things that people will
Hmm.
ask you. Regular, they'll ask about family, work,
Yeah.
politics,
Hmm.
weather, things like this.
And I
Yes.
think that one of my biggest deal with the English is that I don't know why. Well, here in Spain is we have really bad teachers from from English, and I always mess with sorry, the verbs in future and in present. So I could
Uh-huh.
say like, for example, like, oh yeah, we are going to went to whatever.
Okay.
So I
Yeah.
know people understand me, but you know,
Yeah, no, no, you have to fix
yeah.
that. Yes, you have to
Hmm.
fix it. And you have plenty of time to fix it. And since you speak, you have a lot of good things going
Hmm.
for you. You speak English, you have some understanding. You speak to your wife in English. You do watch things in English. So all this will eventually make you see the things the way they're supposed to
Yeah.
be. The thing is that if you want to get really good at
Hmm.
English, you have to try to not you do more Spanish in a day than you do
Hmm.
English. Because if you're only doing an hour of day in English and you're talking 23 hours in
Yeah,
Spanish,
it's
it's
never going to
never
take
going
place.
to change. You have to make it kind of half and
Hmm.
half. So if you don't have people to talk to, you at least have to watch
Yeah.
TV or listen to music or read a
Hmm.
book. You because your brain has to get used to the
Hmm.
change back and
Hmm.
forth. Okay?
Okay. Actually, we watch movies at English, and we try to talk to our kid to English. Well, she does. I mean,
In
I try
English? In
in
English?
English,
Hmm. Hmm.
um, but it's hard to me. It's just not my language.
Right.
So it's just I have to take like 3 seconds to thought what I to think what I. I know that is my.
Oh, it's okay. But that's okay. That's why you have these
Hmm.
classes because you'll get used to the teachers, the tutors
Hmm.
here will correct you and you'll get used to say, okay, oh no, think. Okay, she said think. And you keep doing it. And then that's how we
Hmm.
learn. It's part of the process.
Yeah.
It
Hmm.
is. So it's
Hmm.
okay. You need to make those mistakes and you need to do it. You can also do some classes on
Hmm.
here to help you, or tutors can also do articles. We can also send you like let's say I see that you have a problem with present
Hmm.
tense. I can send you stuff that you can look on the computer, worksheets for
Oh,
practice. There's a lot of things you can
nice.
do
Yeah.
that you can do here. But you just keep doing it. Just make fun of
Hmm.
it. Take it funny. Relax.
Yeah.
Relax.
Well, my wife always makes fun about me. She says that sometimes I speak like a young drunk Yoda. So it's like, yeah, but well, I keep trying. I'm not going to surrender. Uh, it's what you
No.
say. Just keep going.
Yes.
But
Keep going. Never give up.
exactly,
Okay.
and it's just I don't want to make like mistakes, really mistakes, because I know her family from a long time ago, and it's I propose to me myself
Uh,
to say, okay, yeah, I have to stop. I have to stop making mistakes and make
right.
just getting better with that.
Yeah. Yes. You want to show that you
Hmm.
improved. I mean, you're married to this American
Yeah.
woman. Does she speak
Oh yeah,
Spanish?
she speaks Spanish perfectly.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
No, then you're in
Yeah,
trouble.
I know.
Yes. Okay, no. If she speaks Spanish, you have to speak
Hmm.
English. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, it's just begin and talk with people who is not going to be like kindness with me. I mean, it's just I would prefer to people said to me, okay, yeah, you say this, and this wrong.
Exactly.
Than her friends, her family, all of them are like so nice to me. Uh,
Correct. They don't want to hurt your
exactly,
feelings, and
exactly.
so they allow you to continue to make
Hmm.
mistakes.
Yeah, she don't. She
Yeah.
really don't care. My wife, because she's
Hmm.
like she always said to me if I get a mistake, but it's not the same.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Right. No, I understand. No, yes, so you'll be fine. I think you'll do good with some classes. You should do some reading out loud, some
Hmm.
articles. How many days a week will you be practicing English though?
Uh,
Like
every
with
single day.
tutors?
With tutors.
Oh, okay.
No, with
Yeah.
tutors. Well, depends on my work.
Hmm.
So maybe one twice per week, but
Okay. Okay, good.
I have to say that.
Hmm. Yeah, you have to stay with it. If you're going to be practicing alone or at
Hmm.
home, I would whatever you practice, I would then use it with the
Hmm.
tutor. So if you studied something just to make sure that you really get it and you're using it
Hmm.
correctly, then I would use it with the tutor when you have the time with the
Okay.
tutor. If you're going to do something like
Hmm.
that. Um, I would also, like I said, I definitely try to listen to some podcasts, Nothing too long. Nothing because you want to see that you listen, you understand, and you can make an
Mhm.
opinion. And then when you could even try writing things and sharing it with your tutor. There's a lot of things you can do. So you're pretty open for
To
that.
talk is just, I'm not afraid to talk, but if you tell me that I have
Good.
to write or type,
Good.
yeah, I'm so bad with that. I mean, I don't care
Okay.
to talk like, but right, I'm dyslexic, so I do it bad at Spanish. I don't want to think about it in English, so well, I guess that sometimes eventually I have to do it. But yeah,
Oh, that's
yeah.
great. That's okay. Then don't worry about writing. How about reading? Do you read
Oh
anything in
yeah,
English?
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
N-
good.
Um,
Okay.
normally, I normally read like a couple books per month, and both are in English. So, yeah, I was
Oh,
so
perfect.
in that because to get to get confident before the wedding.
Good. Yes. No, but this is good because there you get new vocabulary and you see sentence
Hmm,
structure. If you pay attention to the reading, you'll see how the sentences always
hmm,
go in English. So you that's a very good way to educate yourself on that to
hmm.
remember
Yeah.
of your sentence.
Well, I think that it's just organized. Sorry, my dog is around here.
Oh, what kind of dog do you have?
Um I don't know. It's like mixed. Shadow, come here. Oh, look, it's like
Oh, oh, but he's
yeah, yeah,
little. He's a baby.
yeah.
Oh,
Well, actually, he's like 4 or 5 years old, but
really?
yeah,
He looks young. Oh,
yeah.
he's so
But he
cute.
stay like little. I wanted like a big, huge dog, and I have this. So
Well,
it's,
they say everything happens for a reason.
yeah. Well, actually, my kid loves him because he could ride on him. So yeah,
See,
yeah.
it worked
No,
out
no,
good.
yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, that's good. I love animals. Dogs are amazing.
Hmm.
Really cute. They have like their own personality.
Yeah, definitely. He's crazy. I mean, really, really, really crazy. Because we go to the mountain and he could walk like for 5 or 6 hours non-stop. Uh,
Oh, he's got a lot of energy.
yeah, in the morning when I have to wake up and go to work, I take him for a walk. It's like, oh my god, Shadow, just finish quickly because I have to.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
It's time.
Hmm.
I know. Dogs are they're a big responsibility. I
Hmm.
really think people sometimes don't understand. They're like having another child. You have to feed them, wash them, take them out,
Yeah,
take them to the doctor.
take care of them.
There's a
Yeah,
lot.
and give them love because most of people didn't. They have dogs only for just the good moments. Then it's just, as you say, dogs have personality, and our dog, for
Mhm.
example, is like a cat. So
Yeah.
he loves cuddles. He loves to stay with us in the blanket. Uh, yeah, yeah,
Oh,
it's pretty good.
oh, that's
Hmm.
nice. That's nice. Look, your basic conversation is really good. Your responses are really well. They don't look like you're thinking too hard on them. You just need to relax and practice more.
Yeah, is I mean the basic I think that I have is just more if we talk about politics. I know that I have to study that because they are so and my wife's family are so they love to discuss about politics
Oh,
and get more confident. Maybe I don't know
yeah.
to.
Yes, but confidence comes with practice.
Mhm,
Just that you just keep talking and keep talking and keep talking. So that will come.
mhm.
That will come. You have a great understanding. I think you're a little too hard on yourself. If you relax, you will do much better.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. I guess that we could see the next week if you're available.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. All right. Take care. Be safe. You take care of yourself.
Thank you. You too. Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
bye-bye.